Hello guys, this is Jun from Jun TV. Today is Tteokbokki, spicy rice cake. The most famous Korean street food among Koreans. My homemade version of tteokbokki is tastier and healthier compared to the stereotypical tteokbokki. So, how can tteokbokki be created without using unhealthy ingredients such as MSG and sugar? The real secret will be shown in the second half of the video. Stay tuned! Hello, this is Jun. Tteokbokki is typical street food in Korea. For me, this history has been from my elementary school days. There were tteokbokki shops in front of the school and next to stationery stores. Every schools. The rice tteokbokki shop took away all of our money a kid would have, right? It was really delicious. Let's make that tteokbokki today. Very delicious and healthy tteokbokki that we can give to our children and our parents. Let's try now. Usually, the rice cakes you purchase at the market are frozen together inside the packet. In order to defrost the rice cake, submerge the rice cakes inside a bowl of water. The main ingredients that go into the tteokbokki dish is quite simple. There is one sauce, rice cake, fish cakes, green onions. One green onion is going to be used for the sauce, and the other will be used for the dish. I will begin by putting the rice cakes into the pot. After making the sauce, I will lightly marinate the rice cake for approximately 5 minutes. Now, let's prepare the ingredients that we need to put in the pot with our rice cakes. After removing the ends, cut the green onion into 10 cm pieces. Cut the fish cake into bite-sized pieces and leave 2 pieces of fish cake for the sauce. Everyone should know how delicious fish cakes are. These are the main ingredients for the spicy rice cakes. Now, I will make the sauce. For the sauce, cut up green onion to your liking. I will put all 10 cloves of garlic. Cut 1 Korean green hot pepper. We are going to use 1 whole onion and cut into large pieces. The onion will be the ingredient responsible for the subtle sweetness of the spicy rice cakes. I will put 2 fish cakes in the sauce. This is my secret in making an amazing sauce. You probably never saw this anywhere else. Spicy rice cakes and fish cakes is the tastiest duo combo. Now, I will put seasonings into the sauce. 3 tablespoons of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of hot pepper paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When using the measuring spoon, fill the spices or ingredients up to the brim of the measuring spoon. Medium spicy 청양 red pepper powder, 3 tablespoons. Please put only 1 tablespoon of gochujang paste, since more than one could result in overpowering the flavor of the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use sugar if you do not have any honey at hand. However, I recommend using honey whenever you can. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I will put olive oil instead of sesame oil since the taste becomes too heavy. I will add 200 milliliters of water to the mixer here. The weight of the sauce is about 600 grams. I always make a surplus of the sauce and leave the surplus in the freezer to use it again when I need it. Half the amount used today is probably enough. Mixing the sauce with rice cake, I put about half of the sauce I made today and marinate the rice cakes for approximately 5 minutes. And after about 5 minutes, put together the ingredients to boil. Add 600 milliliters of 3 cups of water and put 1 cup. Today's tteokbokki will be very delicious. Even it doesn't have anchovy broth, but it's replaced by delicious fish cake sauce. Now it will boil. Heat the pan over the high heat. Once it boils, reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the rice cakes and fish cakes will be softly formed and the sauce consistency will thicken. It's almost done. However, according to your palate, you can add water to the pot to adjust the flavor of the dish. Yes, it looks delicious now. Do you see the thick consistency of the sauce? Let's try spicy rice cakes.
무슨 말이 필요하겠습니까? 무슨 말이 필요하겠습니까? 아주 맛있습니다.
The rice cake is chewy. The fish cake is soft. Yeah. What can I say? Simply just delicious.
진짜 맛있어요. 뭐 어떻게 맛있다는 표현을 잘 못하겠어요. 저는. 이거 어떻게 얘기해야 되죠? 이런 느낌을. 떡볶이는요, 저희 어머니가 해주신 것보다 이게 더 맛있어요.
Please try to make it at home. Let's meet again next time.